Hello sir, my name is Afzal Shafi'i bin Subir. My metric number 07DTP 23F1009. So today I'm gonna present about the project 1 of tool design. So the list of content, the first is introduction, the second is defection in molding process, number 3 type of injection mold, next is mold design, injection molding process, primary factor in mold design, mold component, discussion, and the last is conclusion. So the introduction. Injection molding is a highly versatile and widely adopted manufacturing process used to produce parts, most commonly from plastic but also from other material like metal, glass, and elastomer. It is dominant with method for mass producing thousands or even millions of identical high-quality components with remarkable precision and efficiency. So the first injection molding process. The first is piston injection molding process. So how it works? The piston push melted plastic straight into the mold. The plastic cooled and hardened into a shape. Application used for simple small part, not good for high precision or big production. For number 2 is reciprocating screw injection molding. A screw turns to melt and mix plastic. The screw then moves forward to inject it into the mold. The part cools and is ejected. So for the application, most common method today used for automotive part, packaging, and household product. Transfer mold. Plastic is preheated in a small chamber. The plunger pushes it into the mold cavity. The plastic set and form the shape. For the application, used for thermoset plastic, electrical part, and rubber item like seal or plug. Extrusion molding. How it works? Plastic pellets are heated and melted. The melted plastic is pushed through a shape hole or die. It comes out as a long shape like a pipe or tube. Then it is cooled and cut to size. For application, making pipe, tube, straw plastic, sheet, and wire cover. Blow molding. How it works? Plastic is heated and melted. The melted plastic is made into a hollow tube called a parison. Air is blown inside the parison to expand it against the mold wall. The plastic cools and hardens into the shape of the mold. The mold opens and the hollow part is taken out. So for the application, used to make hollow plastic product like bottle, container, and toys. Next, defect in molding. The first is play, flow line, wear line, flash, earthing, seam mark, vacuum void, short, warping, burn mark, and surface delamination. So warping is the pieces look wrong. It bend or twist after it come out of the mold. Flash, thin extra plastic leak out and stick to the edge of the finished part. For short, the part is not finished. It has a empty space because the plastic didn't fill a corner. Next is preliminary factor in mold design. First is clamping force, prevent mold opening and plastic leakage. Second is injection molding cycle breakdown. The injection cycle is a repeated process that happens each time a plastic part is made. It has 5 main. The first is mold open, ejection, mold close, fill time, pack and hold, and cooling and recovery. So the next is number of impression. If a mold has one cavity, it makes one part per cycle, called a single impression mold. If a mold has 2 more cavity, it makes many parts per cycle, call it a multi-impression mold. Next is spur gear. The molten plastic comes out of the machine nozzle. It passes through the spur, a vertical channel. And the last, runner system. First is molten plastic enter the mold through the spur. It flows along the runner channel. From the runner, the plastic passes through gate into the cavity where it forms the product. So for the clamping clamping force is the force needed to keep the mold closed during injection so molten plastic doesn't leak out. So there is a formula in the diagram. Next is type of injection mold. A two-plate mold is the simplest and most common type of injection mold. It has two main plates, one fixed and one moving, that come together to form the mold cavity. A three-plate mold is a type of injection mold that has three main plates instead of two. It allows the runner system to be separated from the finished product automatically when the mold is open. Mold component. The cavity plate is the fixed half and injection mold that form the outer shape surface of the plastic product. The coplate is the moving half of the mold that form the inner shape of the plastic product. Ejector pin, a small metal rod used to push the finished plastic part out of the mold after it has cooled and solidified. Next is sprue. A sprue is the main vertical channel that carry molten plastic from nozzle of the injection machine into runner system of the mold. So next is guided pin and bushing, a part of the mold that help to have core and cavity align perfectly when the mold is closed. The next is cooling. A cooling channel is a small passage inside the mold that lets cooling water or oil flow through to remove heat from the molten plastic. So this is my mold design. Here is a core design. The next is a cavity design. The next is the product that I designed from Autodesk Fusion. So for the discussion, in this project, we designed a two-plate mold for injection molding. The mold has two main parts, the core and the cavity. When the mold closes, molten plastic is injected inside to the form to product shape. The two-plate mold is a simple, easy to use, and good for making products like bottle caps, cover, and small plastic parts. It is a low cost and efficient for mass production. So for the conclusion, the two-plate mold design is a simple and effective system used in injection molding. It allows molten plastic to form product accurately and easily. The design includes important parts such as the core, cavity, ejector pin, guide pin, and cooling channel to ensure smooth operation. This project helped us to understand how two-plate mold work and how each part play a role in making quality plastic product. Overall, the two-plate mold is cost-effective, easy to maintain, and sustainable for mass production. So this is the reference that I get from the Google. So that's all the presentation from project 1. Thank you, sir.